You already learned that a solar cell generates electric current from light and an LED generates light from electric current. Now let's understand how much solar energy is actually converted into electrical energy. Only around 15% of solar energy or light energy is converted into electrical energy by the PV module, and up to 30% of electrical energy coming from the PV module could be lost before supply to the load. In the next video, you will learn about the basics of electricity.